So guys, welcome to Himachal Pradesh.
I'm back with my bakchori.
Okay. You can see in Himachal Pradesh they are the Nilgiri mountains. And currently we are on Aravali hills.
We will jump from Aravali to
And we are currently going to Kanchenjunga.
by car.
Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are exploring some shitty place today. This is my friend Monica. This is the hi guys. He also has a channel on YouTube. What's your channel's name, bro?
Called it a literary discourse.
A literary discourse. I don't know what that means though. This is a very beautiful place in Ranchi, Jharkhand. We are in Latharganj. Have a look, guys. Reduce the volume, you bitch. Okay, so this place has a history, and we used to, just like every other place, we used to have a lot of fun here. And if you look on the other side of this lake, there's a place there. So it's around at a height of 5 to 6 feet, and we used to jump from there in this cold water, and it was amazing. Although I don't know how to swim, my friends would save my ass, but yes.
16.3 motherfuckers.
सब डालेंगे हम वीडियो में.
पब्लिक को 16.3 समझ नहीं आएगा लेकिन.
Guys, I have 16.3 subscribers. 2 of them are 1 year old, so I am considering them as 1.5 after the decimal point.
कोई सच है इस बात की? रिसोर्स है क्या? पेड़ दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
दिख रहा है.
Guys, look at this. This is what we are talking about.
मतलब आसपास देखो.
The contrast is different. Trees are different there.
All the trees are like fucking thirsty as fuck.
Alright, going to a hidden waterfall. We don't know, there may be Naxalites here, but we don't give a fuck. Okay. Now guys, you can see the difference in vegetation. Okay, as you must have seen in this video only, the trees were of a different kind, and now as you can see, it is very different here. So Roshan, why don't you fucking jump from here in this shallow water?
Should I make the car jump?
No, don't make the car jump, bitch. You jump. Okay, so now Roshan, would you like to quote a few lines from your favorite poem?
No bro, I don't remember any poem.
No, you remember one poem, na? You were
No,
talking
bro.
about a poem in which there was a motherfucker who was talking about a particular tree which was called a palash ka ped. And what was that? Tell me,
Let's
bitch.
get down.
No.
जंगल का हर कोना पलाश है.
Jungle ka har kona palash hai.
हाँ.
Do you want to suck that
But
man's
the
dick?
palash trees are not here. I cannot.
But
see
do you
any
want
palash
to
tree here.
suck that man's dick or what?
No, he's not gay. You are.
No, I am not. You are just jealous that he is loving a man. Guys, please bear with our jokes. But I think they are kind of fun.
Guys, please unsubscribe. You do not deserve this. There are better things to watch.
Definitely. You do not deserve his face. That's correct. What? Don't throw that packet here. I know you've been throwing things all the way.
You have been teaching me about that.
I have been teaching you that don't throw it. And that too, there is a way of tearing these packets. Do you know what? Tell us. How? Alright, so here we have Monica showing us how to tear a packet of chips. Oh, it's already done. You don't remove the small part away from the packet, you keep it there. Because there are a lot of proofs that these small parts from plastic are causing a lot of pollution. Right? Roshan bitch? Guys, audio did not work here, so I had to do this. Look at the color, guys. Beautiful. घाटी में सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाना चाहिए।
अरे नहीं, हम पीछे से लगा देंगे।
बताओ होने का क्यों नहीं लगाना चाहिए?
क्यों?
ओनली फैन।
अरे मैप खोल लो, पता नहीं चलेगा रिमिक्स वाला मोड।
Okay guys, we are going to a waterfall which is called Remix Waterfall. Why is it called Remix? You'll have to watch the video entirely to find out. It is a name that my beloved friend has given. Remix Waterfall. It's like a famous thing. It's on Google also. You can look it up.
सुन काका बाबा बोरा जल्दी से बिहार कराई गई। ये वाला वीडियो तो वैसे भी यूज नहीं करेगा।
She is correct.
मुंह में घुसा दे रहा।
Look at this
Distinguished lady.
beautiful distinguished gentlewoman.
Lady.
Gentlewoman. Okay, and enough of bullshit guys. Look at the view. There's a small waterfall there. Oh my god, it is visible on my shitty phone.
There's a small waterfall, Shaurya.
This is a small waterfall, yes.
Just like your dick.
Guys, I'm going to cut this. Okay, alright. Alright guys, have a look. The place where we are going, I'll try to show it to you through my shitty phone. It's there, right there. Okay, and enjoy.
I will show it to you in landscape.
In landscape. My friend has told me when you're trying to make a video, always make it in landscape.